What is the fastest and easiest way to control your TV? Taking your remote and tapping on Watch TV activity, taking your cell phone, turning on the screen, opening the app and clicking on Turn the TV on, or say, hey Google, turn on my TV. Or second quick example, you want to change the volume, again with the remote volume here, plus minus. Or you take your phone, open the app if it's not open, and then play with the volume control. Or say, hey Google, increase the volume on my TV, which may not work at this point because the TV is on and you have noise in your living room. So Google or Alexa may not hear your command. And I know from experience because I have a Google Home right there. Hello everybody. Today we're going to review the Logitech Harmony Ultimate One remote control. My good old Harmony, I think this was a 520 or a 550, I'm not sure, I was trying to remember, and I don't have the documentation anymore. This is almost 10 years old and it was, you can see it's all worn out. So this died. The transmitter here does not work anymore. So I was looking for a new remote control, and this is the one I chose, the Ultimate One. So I'm going to open the box and I'll explain to you why I did not purchase the model with the hub. So let's open the box. There is a tape here at this end and one here. And this is it. It's a very nice remote. So you get the remote in the box, and nice packaging by the way. And we have, this is one reason I chose this model. There is a charging station, as you can see here. It's a mini USB connector. So this has rechargeable batteries. You don't need to change batteries all the time. And what else do we have in the box here? So we have in this envelope a little guide here. Oh yeah, perfect. They give that here to for you to monitor or to label the name and the model number of your devices, which is good to have. And there is here the setup guide. So it's the same, yeah, it's the same as my old remote. All you have to do is go to the Logitech website, and then you can set up your device usually using a laptop computer in front of your TV, so you have access to all of your hardware. And what's left in here is the cable. And what do we have here? It's also another cable here. So this one is probably to connect the device to program your remote with a laptop. And this is here for the charging stations over here, and the controller or the remote goes right there. So as you can see here, very nice. So we have the remote here on its charging station, so it fits very well, as you can see. And I thought I would show in the setup guide here, like I was saying, they recommend using a laptop to connect your remote. And here you have the screens over here. So one, this is programmed. You can see here, it's a touch screen, so you can have watch TV, listen to music, play game, watch movies. So this is partly why I chose this remote. It's because of the big screen over here, and maybe I can show you even better on the box. Yes, right here. So you can see here the nice screen. So I can still buy the hub separately if I want to. But I decided to pay a bit less and have just the remote for now, because the advantage of having the hub is that you can control your devices connected to your Harmony using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. But again, which one is more efficient? Just taking this here, which would be charged normally, so this would be away and this would be on your table or on your couch, and you just press watch TV, or you say, hey Google, turn on my TV, right? So in my opinion, this is more efficient. And I know what I'm talking about because you might have seen my videos. I have 3 videos on Google Home and smart devices, and this is still the most efficient way of turning on or changing channels or changing the volumes. Plus, if you have noise in your living room, Google Home or Alexa will not be able to get your command correctly. And the versions that come with the hub do not have this, or the model that comes with this plus that costs $100 more than just this remote. And also, I want to show you here, it's under the other box. Yeah, right there. So instead of saying, hey Google, increase the volume of my TV, you just take the remote. See, you heard that? I have Google Home not far, and she heard me. So instead of using Google, you can just use this here. So this is, in my opinion, much faster. So I am a big promoter of home automation, but to control quickly your TV or watch movies and control your Blu-ray player or your 4K player, this is better. I should also mention that with the hub, you can control your devices using a smartphone, as you can see here. But I find this feature to be useful only if you're the type of person to have the cell phone with you all the time, and that's not my case. So having the hub is not very useful. Now I'm going to set up the remote through the Logitech Harmony website, and it's the first page here that you see when you open the setup page, and our remote is right here, the Ultimate. This is the second page of the setup, and as you can see here at this point, we need to download the software. After you download the software to your laptop, this is the screen that you see. So you need to open an account with Harmony to save your data. Once you have completed the setup, this is the screen that you have on the Logitech app. As you can see here, you can control and program or change devices, activities, your buttons on the remote, your favorites, and general settings. So it's a very, very easy app to use. I completed the setup of my remote. In my case, it was easy because I had an account with Logitech Harmony. So all I had to do was to transfer my data from my previous remote to the new remote. If you don't have an account, then you have to enter the info for each of your devices. So I set up here a few activities. As you can see, I have Watch TV, Watch a Movie, Netflix, PS4, and Chromecast. So you can change the text. You can also change the icons here on the side. So I want to show you here, you can scroll sideways, as you can see, and that will take you directly to your shortcuts. In this case here, TV channels. If you swipe again, well, there's no activity now. So let me open Watch TV. And now it switched directly to your shortcuts, as you can see. And if you swipe more, then you can have access to different menus directly on your TV, as you can see here. If you swipe again, you can change the channels manually, and then you go back to your main activity. So at any point on any screen, you can click on Home, you will go back to Home, or you can click on Favorite, you will go back to your shortcuts. So one thing you need to remember is that the sensor or the transmitter is here in the back, which is a good improvement. You don't need to point the remote at your devices like this. All you have to do is hold it like this normally, and it will transmit the data to your devices. So highly recommended. Like I said, if you want to control your devices like your TV with your smartphone or Google Home or Alexa, then you can pay a bit more and get the version with the hub. So highly recommended. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.